Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to create Airbnb experience. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to create experience, you just simply have to open your Airbnb application at first and then directly go to your profile page and click to show profile. Then after that, you just simply have to click into edit profile option and create a unique and good looking profile and then describe your experience into here. You just simply have to enter all the details, and into my work section you have to describe your experience or work into this page. And after this, you have to fill all of the details into this section and make it so professional and unique. And after describing your experience into work section, you just simply have to set your price, click to done button, and then you just simply have to verify your profile by tapping into get the badge option and then enter your ID card. This way you can easily create experienced profile into Airbnb. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.